Let's begin.
These are the components that are required for our project. So let's have a look at it. So this is glass fiber sheet, G10 material. Okay, so we are using it for making the frame, and these are the landing gears for supporting our drone. And these are the VLEC brushless motors. For the motors, we use appropriate propellers. So let's have a look at the software part. It's connected using the micro USB cable. You get all the parameters from the flight control in the software, and you can set up also our drone frame that we have built. Now let's have a look at it.
Cause they know, Brit and Mo, I hit the lotto, my motto, roll up gelato and throttle, a couple models, staccato, who fucking brought up the bottles, I'm gone ham, this ain't even luck, all planned, y'all know who the fucks I am, burning bucks, smoke bands, always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis, hey, we don't turn the crib into a club like, Hennessy and Bruce in the club like, get it baby, you know I'm the fuck right, but you got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Now we are going to assemble the gun part. Okay, so we have made this thing. This assembly we have made using servo motor, and this is the gun part. This is the trigger button, and this is the laser in it. Okay, so we are just showing the prototype for the laser, and we can add actual gun also.
In the day I gotta make it right, 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break at night, and even if things go left, we gotta make them right, chillin' with mine, we triple up, they on the double up, triple dub, came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us, up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up, toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us, ain't all about the trick of bus, looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up, you going coast to coast with us, see the flows is flowing, overflowing, yeah, the cup it runneth over, tidal wave up in the ocean. We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? But we got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
One more thing, friends, you can search Xilir Technologies on Google. You will find our website, and on website you will find so many things about engineering projects like PPT, project reports, documents, codes, tutorials, etc. You can also come here for MTech project, BTech project, PhD project, and you can submit your requirement here to make the project custom projects. And in lab also you can come, and in lab you can make project by your own in our guidance in 1-day workshop. You can buy project component etc from online or offline. Both options are available. If you want to make something unique, new, creative, just WhatsApp us on the number given in the description box. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You can subscribe to this channel for more project ideas, tutorial videos, DIY videos, etc. Thank you so much.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug like